Hey everyone, this is Ellen Thompson-Jennings, the Family History Hound, and I'm going on a weekend ladies trip, a road trip, and I want to show you how I prepare for that in my Forever albums. So first of all, I'm going to create a new album, and it's going to be called 2022 Ladies Road Trip. Now I can set it to private, but I can also do it to friends, set it to friends and family, and that way I can invite the ladies that I go on the trip with to this album. So that's what I'm going to do. And you can put a little description, weekend trip with the girls, and that's all I need to do, create the album. Now it's going to take me, it's taking me right to the album. I'm going to upload a cover for the album. So I'm going to choose one. I actually created one this morning in my Forever Artisan. And so I choose that and it uploads to my account. And it's actually uploading to my library, but also directly into the album that I just created. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds because I have a little bit slower internet where I live. And so now I'm all done. So I click that and you'll see it'll bring that photo right into the cover album. Now I can create some nested albums. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to call it Friday, October 21st, 2022. And maybe I'll make it day 1. And maybe I'll copy that just because I'm kind of sometimes a little bit lazy that way. So it's going to take us into that album. So then I'm going to go back to the main album and we'll see that nested album right there. So I'm going to create another one and I'm going to paste it and say it's day 2. And it's Saturday, October 22. And then we'll go back. And then I'm going to create another one. And then we're going to go back and create that final album. Let's see here. Add another nested album. Day 4, because we're actually not coming back until Monday. I believe that's the 24th. So let's just make sure that everything's good. Friday, Sunday. Now they're out of order and I can go back and do some changing the order, but you get the idea. So then because my Forever account is actually linked with the app on my phone, so as I take photographs, it's automatically going to put those in the library. When I get back from my trip, all I'll have to do is take the photographs from each of the days and put it in the album, into the appropriate album. Now this makes it much easier when I want to share photos with my friends, and then if I make them friends and family, then they'll be able to upload to this album as well, and I can create a book. So hope you enjoyed this and have a great weekend.